Everyone, this is Dan Rock and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to put together this portable storage for my motorcycle. I bought this off Amazon and I'm going to give you a link below this video where you can go and check it out yourself. So let's go ahead and just put this together. I'm going to do the installation right here, right behind me, and that's where I'm going to keep my bike. So it's going to stay safe from the weather elements, all the moisture that's going to make my bike rusty. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like the videos I produce. Just want to show you what came inside the box. All of this right here with the gloves came out of this green bag. Their user manual right here, and the rest of the installation pieces inside of this box right here. This is what the floor plan looks like. Okay, and let me show you, all of these pieces have letters and numbers. So as you can see right here, there's letter A, there's 1A, 1A, A, number 3, and on. Okay, so you just lay everything out like they tell you in the instructions. One side of the roof, it's got this spring loaded pin which you push and goes inside. So I have just completed step 2 of the installation of one side of the upper frame, step 3 the other side, and this is what it looks like right here. So this is going to be the roof of this storage. So I just connected one side to the other side. Step 4 of this installation, this is what I have so far. We have the frame of the storage ready to go and be covered by the cover, roof cover over the frame of the storage. And now I'm going to be using these bungee cords right here to attach and secure the roof cover to the frame. And I've got lots of bungee cords right here, which I'm going to be using to secure, because right now everything's just flipping in the wind. And let me show you how the bungee is attached. So you just take the bungee, just slide it through the hole, and then just secure it right here. Okay, and you just do this all around, on the front, on the back side. Okay, I'm gonna attach the front door and the back door. Front door has been installed, same goes for the back door. You just can't see it right now because it's been rolled up. So this was step 6. All right, and this is what I've got so far. Work in progress still. I just wanted to show you what I just did. So I had sidebars and they just 2 pieces of tubing, and they just snap into one another, and the same on the other side, and goes into these like nice sleeves. You've got 2 of them on each of the sides, and they provide you with these parts right here. This is supposed to give a good stability to the storage. Hey, I just wanted to show you what the final product looks like. This is with the front door rolled up all the way up. My Honda Rebel 500 is already stored inside. Let me walk around to the back. This is the view from the back. So you got one zipper that goes up, and then you've got the other one on the other side, and everything just rolls up and then it holds up to here. Okay, some customers found it was easier to work with this stiff material when it's warm outside. You put this material under the sun, it warms up, and it's easier to stretch. It takes on average between 2 to 3 hours, and you do not need any additional tools. Product does come with anchors, ground anchors that go into the ground, but I decided I'm just gonna use the sandbags. I just put the cardboard under the bike for now. I might just leave it just sitting on the grass, or just buy like one of those stall mats. We'll see. I'll make a decision, but the time will show how this shelter holds up to rain and wind. and all the weather elements, but I'm really satisfied with what it looks like. So for those of you who own a motorcycle and you don't have a garage, just like I don't have one, this is a great option where you can store your bike from weather elements. It's easy to assemble, it doesn't require any tools for the assembly, and it looks really nice. It comes in 2 different colors. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in the next video.